Question number 25, 10th CBSE sample paper released by CBSE students on the screen. He says this is a glass prism. As you can see, prism, white light is passed through the glass prism and it splits up. As you can see, it splits up into 7 colors. You are aware of that, student? Experiment, kindly read the NCERT. A student observed the above phenomenon in the lab. As white light passes through the prism, white light passes through the prism, what will happen, student? This is an example of refraction of light. Refraction of light. When light passes from one medium, this medium is air, student. This is made up of a glass. So when light is passing from air to glass, student, what will happen? Refraction of light takes place. The result is, among many, what happens, observe the phenomena in the lab. As white light passes through the prism, it splits up into 7 colors. It splits up into 7 colors because white light is made up of 7 colors, 7 components, 7 different wavelengths, 7 different frequencies are there. That's what we are trying to say. Among many other colors, he observed the position of 2 colors in. So the color of this is the red color, student. This is the violet color. Violet is bent more than red. Okay. What is the phenomena called, student? You know that this is nothing but, student, this is an example of what we say, dispersion of light. Dispersion of light. So this phenomena is known as dispersion of light, student. The splitting of 7 components of light into 7 different colors when it is passed through a glass prism is called dispersion of light. Another example of dispersion of light is the rainbow, which you experience in the sky. Okay, the first answer is it is dispersion of light. Now the question is, student, why, second part, what is the reason for the violet to bend more than the red light? Which will bend more or which will bend less, student? As I said, the 7 colors are there in the white light and they have different wavelengths, they have different frequencies, their speed, their velocity is different, student, in the glass prism. So the one which will have the slowest speed, student, what will happen? The slowest speed is violet, while the speed of the violet is slowest. Therefore, as you can see, it is coming at the lowest point, student. It is bending as more as compared to red. So the bending of these light depends on the speed of the wavelength of that light, of that component of light. So what we can say, students, the violet light bends more, violet light bends than more than red light because the speed, the velocity, or the speed of violet component of light, the speed of violet component of light, student, is less is less than the red component of light. The slower the speed, the more it will bend. So the violet is having lower speed. That in fact there are 7 colors you are aware of. The answers are these, student, which we are given. You are aware of the 7 colors: violet, vib, gior, as you remember, violet, indigo, blue, green. So this violet, you can see, has the slowest speed and the red has the highest speed. These speeds depends on the frequencies and wavelengths because there are 7 components. Interesting thing is that this was discovered by Newton. If you put another prism, student, on then what will happen? Then again all the 7 colors will combine to produce the white light, which proved that these 7 colors were coming from the white light, or white light is made up of 7 colors.